Before we had the body-worn cameras, I was a little bit sceptical. I thought, oh, it's sort of really similar to like police side of things. It's quite military, it's quite invasive.
When we had the introduction of the cameras, staff were kind of apprehensive because we didn't really know what we would expect.
One of my concerns was the reaction from some of the service users. So we did an awful lot of consultation with the patient groups. We faced very little really in terms of reluctance from the service users to being filmed.
Since we've had it now, I don't remember before we didn't have it. I feel that it's lightweight, sometimes almost feel like it's part of me.
I believe whilst we've had the cameras, it tremendously improves our work rate and load and quality of work.
Puts the patient safety at first, and it just really boosts our all-round quality of care.